Hello everyone, welcome to Pallikkutam Covid-19 news outbreak. This is Danya with you. Let's see today's headlines. UNESCO launches Global Covid-19 Education Coalition. Oxford scientists develop rapid testing technology for Covid-19. The world's most powerful supercomputer enters the fight against coronavirus. New traffic light system to help prescribers navigate coronavirus response. A new approach to coronavirus testing could curb spread of virus. As an immediate response to massive school closures, UNESCO is launching a global COVID-19 education coalition that brings together multilateral partners and the private sector, including Microsoft and the Global System for Mobile Communications, to help countries deploy remote learning systems so as to minimize educational disruptions and maintain social contact with learners. UNESCO will further host regular webinars and virtual meetings to allow country representatives opportunities to share information on the effectiveness of approaches used in different contexts, building on the success of its ministerial video conference of 10th March that brought together 73 countries. Scientists from the University of Oxford's Engineering Science Department and the Oxford Susho Centre for Advanced Research have developed a rapid testing technology for the novel coronavirus. The new test is much faster and does not need a complicated instrument. Previous viral RNA tests took 1.5 to 2 hours to give a result. The research team has developed a new test based on a technique which is capable of giving results in just half an hour, over 3 times faster than the current method. The technology has been validated with real clinical samples at a hospital in China. The world's most powerful supercomputer, the IBM-built Summit, is being used by scientists to assist their research for drugs that could help patients recover sooner from coronavirus. Occupying the floor space of 2 tennis courts at the US Department of Energy's Oak Ridge National Laboratory in Tennessee, the Summit can perform 200 quadrillion calculations each second, which is roughly 1,000,000 times more computing power than the average laptop. Last month, researchers used it to screen through a library of 8,000 non-drug compounds to find those most likely to be effective against the coronavirus. The researchers used the Summit to pinpoint drugs capable of binding to these protein spikes in order to thwart the virus' ability to get inside the body's cells. A supercomputer can do this very quickly with machine learning algorithms. Developing drugs is a very lengthy process. It can take 10 years for a new medicine to reach the market from the time it's discovered, and many fail because they are not safe or just aren't effective. That's why supercomputers like the Summit are especially useful during a global outbreak of an infectious disease that has no known treatments. The University of Liverpool in the UK launched a new website featuring a traffic light system to aid the safe prescribing of experimental drugs being trialed against coronavirus. The site, created by the university's Liverpool Drug Interactions Group, provides vital information on whether or not combinations of an experimental drug and medications are safe to prescribe. This is of particular importance among aged patients with underlying health problems who are most at risk from COVID-19 and are likely to already use multiple drug prescriptions. A new approach to testing for coronavirus is to be trialed by researchers at the University of Leicester in UK. The new test could determine whether a person is infectious or not even before symptoms are present. If successful, the approach could greatly simplify large-scale screening for the virus and curb the spread of the disease. Researchers will use simple, low-cost face masks which are adapted using 3D printed strips that can trap exhale microbes while the mask is worn for 30 minutes. Using the adapted mask to screen for coronavirus could allow very large groups to be checked at once, potentially helping to curb the spread of the virus and avoiding long stays in quarantine. We'll be back tomorrow with more stories. Thanks for watching.